Etapa 5, sección 10. Estoy cansado. Habla de animales. I don't know. Dolphin.
Where are you? Where are you? Where?
The monkeys finally quit shouting a minute ago.
Cute. Shouting a minuto no, finalmente. De gritar un minuto. Hit. Earth.
Please quit talking so loudly near the birds.
Keep talking. Por favor, bajen de hablar tan alto cerca de los ojos. Dejen de hablar. The monkeys are throwing rocks at each other.
I love going to the zoo when it's bright outside.
Entonces, yo me iba cuando bright, cuando hace bright. Cuando es brillante, bright. Right. There is a small zoo that there is a small zoo that only that just for animals. Who doesn't?
Who? Which?
Giraffes. Me encanta el olor de esas flores frescas.
I love the
smell
smell
of
of these
fresh flowers.
flowers.
¿Cuál animal no puede volver a ser? Which animal can go back to the jungle? ¿Por qué no podemos jugar en la tierra? Why?
Why?
We can
we play
in the dirt.
dirt.
¿No es ese pingüino mucho más grande que el otro? That penguin isn't. That penguin that isn't. That isn't. Isn't that
Dear visitors, please talk quietly while you are next to the bear area. They are sleeping for the winter. The area will open again in April. Dear visitors, please talk quietly while you are next to the bear area. They are sleeping for the winter. The area will open again in April.
podrían despertar a los osos? It's important to care the environment. To take care of the environment.
Please walk ahead to the presentation about helping the environment. Here at the zoo, we believe that everyone can help the earth.
Rock.